Hello, welcome to the Section Kit. Today we are going to learn how to add section using Section Kit in your store. Start by heading over to the Shopify App Store and searching for Section Kit, then press Enter. Here you can see the Section Kit listing. Simply click the Install button and it will redirect you to your Shopify Apps page. Just click Install once more to confirm. Section Kit is now installed and you'll be taken straight to the Section Kit dashboard. Here you can explore a wide variety of professionally designed sections. You'll also notice a support chat in the bottom right corner. Feel free to ask anything related to sections and you'll receive a response shortly. As you can see, Section Kit offers many different section types, including hero banners, CTAs, feature sections, text sections, and many more, all ready to use. On the left side, you'll find My Sections, where all your installed sections are saved. There are also free sections available, which you can grab and add to your store at no cost. Once you install a section, you'll get a Customizer option where you can select the theme you'd like to install it on. After a few seconds, you'll see the Open Customizer button appear next to your theme. Simply click it to proceed. Inside the Theme Customizer, all you need to do is click Add Section, and your newly added section will appear instantly. No developer needed, no coding required. Click on the section to select it, and just like that, it's live on your store in seconds. From here, you can fully customize it to match your brand. Colors, text, layout, everything. And that's the power of Section Kit. Beautiful, professional sections installed in minutes without writing a single line of code.